Hello guys, you're watching Star Secret. Today I'm going to reveal some dark secrets about Raj Kundra. Raj Kundra is not an unknown name for Bollywood industry. Everyone knows him as a successful businessman and a husband of actress Shilpa Shetty. Recently he has made a headline again for the wrong reason. Raj Kundra was recently arrested on the charge of creating pornographic content for his app Hotshot. However, this is not the first time that he entangled himself in the middle of a scandal. Let's take a look at his controversies from the past. In 2017, a textile company accused Raj Kundra of cheating them of Rs 24 lakhs. The textile company said that the money collected by Raj Kundra and his wife actress Shilpa Shetty in the name of the particular company was never given to them. The police has filed a complaint against him. In 2018, Raj Kundra was allegedly involved in the Bitcoin scam. As per the Pune crime branch, some Bollywood actors were promoting an illegal scam to invest money in Bitcoin. A lot of money was recovered after the police came down heavy on the racket. It is said that as much as 2,000 crores was recovered. The former co-owner of the Indian Premier League team Rajasthan Royals was banned for lifetime from cricket after being accused of betting. Kundra and the former ICC chief N. Srinivasan's son-in-law Gurunath Mayappan were found guilty of betting. However, Raj Kundra had filed a petition in Supreme Court in 2018 after Delhi police had given him a clean chit. And in a recent interview to an entertainment portal, Raj Kundra said that his ex-wife Kavita was having an affair with his former brother-in-law. His statement came after his ex-wife accused Shilpa Shetty to be the reason behind their separation. Now again, he involved in another scandal. As per report, Raj Kundra was avoiding arrest till now by bribing crime branch officers by paying 25 lakhs. Recently, when Raj Kundra arrived at their home with Mumbai police, Shilpa Shetty shouted at him during the search. She said, "We have everything. What was the need to do all this?" Guys, in this case for now, there is no relief for Raj Kundra since the Bombay High Court has sent him to 14 days judicial custody. Now you know that how Raj Kundra always creates a scandal to make a headline. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel Star Secret. Thank you. Bye.